Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find backlinks in SEMrush in 2024. Backlinks, of course, are a key factor in SEO success. And SEMrush makes it very easy to discover which websites are linking to you and your competitors as well. So basically in this video, I'll guide you through a simple and a very good guide on SEMrush backlink analytics tool to help you boost your link building efforts. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. And here, basically, you'll have to go to semrush.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can go to the top right corner, click on login to log into your account if you have one. And if you don't, go and click on sign up and set to create an account. Of course, you'll be able to use also a Google account if you have one. So you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you should find yourself here, which is basically the dashboard. Now, as we said, we would like to find some backlinks in SEMrush or use one of the tools that SEMrush provides to find backlinks. So if we go to this list panel, specifically on SEO, of course, make sure to open SEO if it's not open. You can look for backlinks. Of course, a lot of things here to search from. If you're new, you might get confused, but of course, you can always use Control F. Just hit that on your keyboard and type backlink. As you can see, you'll find backlink gap, backlink analytics, and backlink audits. Of course, we'll need analytics, but let's just go through them all. So let's just click on backlinks. Of course, how it works. Any tool that you click on it, if you scroll down, you'll find just some headings that will explain to you what this tool does. For example, this backlinks or backlink gap, what it will do basically, how it works, it will compare domains, enter you and your competitor domain. It will find prospects. We will analyze these websites' backlinks profiles and discover and tap backlink opportunities. And also, we'll receive domains to target. So you'll receive a list of domains to target in your back or in your link building campaigns. As you can see, this is what we will do. Other than that, we have these two, backlink analytics and backlink audits. Let's start by analytics now. So how it works, as an example, so you'll be able to discover every detail about your new competitor's backlinks. So track any domain backlinks, monitor any domain links in progress, spot new backlinks, get informed when backlinks are deleted. You can click on show more to see more. So view data on new and lost like backlinks for a specific time period. Filter to see only lost or new backlinks. Find the dates when a backlinks appear or when it was lost. Get data, of course, on lost domains and anchors coming soon. So we have now this one, conduct deep links analysis. Identify all incoming links and linking domains. Understand how authoritative our referring domain is and when it's located. Detect some backlinks types. As you can see, so I'm not going to read all of that, of course. It will take a lot of time from this video, so let's just not read this all. Of course, you can pause the video and see what it does. I'll just keep reading now the headings. So here, conduct some deep link analysis. If you scroll down, you'll find like delve into competitors' marketing and PR strategies. So click on show more. You'll be able to see it by your own again. And lastly, the last tool that will have something with backlinks is backlink audit. This will basically everything you need for a complex backlink audit. Audit your backlink health from all sides. Manage suspicious links that could hurt your ranking. Keep all backlinks data in one place. Monitor any significant changes. And yeah, here you'll find all the key changes as an example. So you can pause the video and read it out again. So as we said, we would like to find backlinks. So to find backlinks, as an example, we'll normally need like the analytics tool to find that. So you can, of course, go to this list panel, go to backlinks analytics, as an example. And here, as you can see, we'll be able to use that to find backlinks. So you'll have basically to enter your website URL. If you do so, as an example, click on analyze, you'll be able to get all the information about that. Of course, this is the URL of my websites. We just go to it to show you. So as you can see, it has nothing. It's a launching soon website, has nothing, just like a video here playing. And yeah, so it has nothing on it, right? So I'll not get like many informations in here, but for you, Once you enter your website, or maybe you're just looking for a competitor or competitor website, you can enter the URL of them right there. Once you enter that, as an example, you'll be able to see all the backlinks that they have in here. As an example, you'll be able to find them. So, an example here, backlinks. Of course, the total number of backlinks leading to an analyzed, a domain/URL. Only backlinks that we have seen in the last few months are taken into account. So here you can click on backlinks specifically to access that. And here you have all the access to the backlinks in SEMrush, as you can see, through this backlink analytics tools. Of course, if you need to use any of other tools, it's up to you. It's basically up to you. And once you created your account, if you're just new, you can even get a 7 days free trial for free to use all the tools, because here and just the free plan, you'll be able to use all the tools, but you will get a lot of restricted things. You can search for stuff just 10 times. So if you use tools just 10 times a day, you'll get restricted for the whole day and you'll not be able to use anything anymore. So make sure to get yourself a plan. Or an example, you can start using this free trial for 7 days, but you'll have to enter your card number. As you can see, it will be $0. But you'll have to enter your card's information, so you'll be able to start using it. And of course, then the first charge will be this amount. So I'll just go here to pricing to show you the pricing. It's up to you to go and use it or pay for whatever you want. Of course, if you pay annually, it might be a little bit expensive annually, but you'll get a 17%. So if you're sure you're gonna keep using it, it's a very, very useful tool for you. So make sure to use it. Why not? So yeah, basically, other than that, as we said, here you'll find all the information on backlinks that you want. Here you'll find, as you can see, all the backlinks, like enter and target URLs, the total numbers you can see of links in the source URL, the total number of links in the source URL pointing to other websites. This is basically pointing to other pages with the same website. Here is the first scene, last scene, all the information that you would like about the backlinks that of course, you will find this in here in this backlink analytics. And yeah, so that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye and have a good day.